Hey guys, how's it going? My name's Matt, and I'm super excited because today is the day that I am leaving for Japan to move there forever. Maybe not forever, but I have no plans of coming back. I'm just super excited because this is something that I've always wanted to do. A couple years ago, I traveled all over Asia. I really just got a different idea of just different countries and stuff, and I just want to check them out. So I made the decision to just move. So it's morning right now, and we're actually going to be boarding the plane later on. Actually, technically tomorrow at 12:05 a.m., but we're leaving today at 6 p.m. But it's the morning right now. I just got up. I need to go and get dressed and take a shower and do something with this hair. So I'm gonna go do that, but yeah, I'll keep you guys updated. Super excited. Probably gonna head out right around 6. About to walk out the door, and my mom made those. And we have our luggage over here. So this is what we're taking. Getting ready to go. Nervous, excited. Moving to Japan by America. The journey begins, guys. We are in SFO, San Francisco. First stop. There's EVA Air there. That's where we're flying. Just got through customs. There it is. And that took another at least hour. We just sat down and we're waiting. So we have quite a bit of time, actually. As you can see, maybe. One of the secrets to get sleep on the flight. Pajama pants. So, still excited, but yeah, we're sitting in the plane. We've been sitting in the plane on the ground for like an hour, and we haven't taken off yet. I think they're loading the plane still, but yeah, we boarded at like 11:40 and it's like 12:50 now, so yeah. Just ate, look a little messy. I slept pretty well, actually. We just finished our food. They're coming to clean us up, but this is where we are, and we're about to cross over Ishigaki Island, which is a part of Okinawa. We are going to Okinawa after this, but our flight doesn't leave till like 4:30, and it's like 7 a.m. in the morning. So from my understanding, there's a train from this airport into the center of Taipei. So we're gonna take that train and spend a few hours in the middle of Taipei, the city, for the first time. So let's check it out. We're on a train in Taipei. This is pretty cool, guys. This is Taipei main station. It feels so good to be traveling again. You have no idea how good this feels. It's so nice to finally get away and just start traveling again. I'm really happy. This is awesome. Just got into the city of Taipei. Have to say, guys, it was quite a maze navigating that Taipei main station, which is right behind me. Couldn't for the life of me get out of the building. I just wanted to go outside. Oh my gosh, you're experiencing this with me for the first time. Boom! Some of Taipei there. Pretty sweet. Where do you want to go? You want to go this way? There's a Family Mart. Guys, this is dope! Oh my god. Oh, I love traveling. I'm never gonna wait this long to travel again. This is Taipei. This is a park kind of in the center. Actually, I have no idea where we are. We've just been walking around, but there's a bunch of buildings, Taipei. Here's a park. This is where we're at. I don't know where we're at. We're just walking. I'd love to give you directions. I'm like, yeah, here's where we are and this is where we're going and stuff like that, but I honestly have no idea. Like, we got off the train somewhere over there and just like, this is cool, let's go. We're about to head back to the train station. We spent the day in Taipei, at least 4 or 5 hours, whatever our layover was. And yeah, I have to say, not what I expected. We are lost. We're trying to get back. This place is a maze. We're still trying to find our way back, but this city is so cool, guys. Like, look at these buildings. They're huge, and there's all kinds of stuff going on. Look at this. It's so cool. This city, man, is way bigger than I thought it was gonna be.
You can see it in my face, I'm so exhausted.
The only thing I knew about Taipei before coming here, oh, we're lost again. The only thing I knew about Taipei before coming here is that up until 2010, they had the tallest building in the world. And shout out to my friend Sean telling me that, because he's like, that's the tallest building in the world. And I was like, no, it's not. Anyway, it was until 2010, and then the Burj Khalifa. Anyway, we got to see that. I'll show you a little bit of footage here, but we weren't close enough. We only had a 5-hour layover, and it was really far down this main road. We couldn't really walk there. I guess we could have took a taxi, but it wasn't as important to us. But we'll come back. Anyway, we saw that second tallest building in the world. Checked out some of the town, went to this giant underground mall, ate some food, I don't know, looked at shops. Taipei was pretty cool, and it was a very unexpected adventure thanks to a 12-hour flight delay between connecting flights, layover. Hey guys, it's the next morning. I made it to Okinawa, Japan. I am officially moved here. I was gonna do more vlogs after Taipei, but we got on the plane and we were just dead tired. We got here and pretty much just immediately went to sleep. So, but yeah, that's it. I live in Japan. I'm gonna be doing a whole bunch of more videos on Japan and Japanese stuff and Okinawa stuff. So if you're interested in Japan or Okinawa, or you're moving here for yourself, maybe you're in the military or something and you're getting stationed in Okinawa, there's a lot of American military bases here. Give me a subscribe, start following me, because I'm gonna make some really cool content on some cool things to do in Japan and in Okinawa. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.